Hello friends, in this video I will show how to install MySQL 8.0.34 Server and Workbench latest version on Windows 11. Now here search MySQL. Now here click on this first link. Now here click on downloads. Now scroll down and click on this MySQL community GPL downloads. Now select MySQL for Windows. Here guys you can see this latest version 8.0.34. Here you will see two options 32-bit or 64-bit. So download as your requirement. Now here click on no thanks. Just start my download. Now wait till this downloading process will be complete. Now once downloading process complete, double click on this MySQL. Click on yes. Now here select custom. Then next. Now expand MySQL servers. Select this one and click on this right arrow. Now expand applications. MySQL Workbench. Now select it, then this right arrow. Now expand MySQL shell. Select it, this latest version. Then click on this right arrow. Now click on next. Then click on execute. Now wait for a few seconds. Now here click on next. Again click on next. Now make sure port is 3306. Then click on next. Then click on next. Now here select this option use strong password, then next, enter root password. Now make it strong password, then click on next. Now here again click on next. Everything leave as default. Select here yes, grant full access to the user running the Windows service. Then click on next. Now here execute this all settings. Now click on finish. You can see the configuration for MySQL server was successful. Now here click on next. Now again click on finish. Now here click on finish. Now here open File Explorer, C drive and program files. Click on MySQL. Now MySQL server. Click on this bin folder. Now copy this path. Click on start. Type here environment. Click on edit the system environment variables. Now click on environment variables. Then here double click on this path, new. Now paste this path. Then click on OK. Now close this File Explorer. Now open CMD. Run as administrator. Now open CMD. Run as administrator. Now type here MySQL version. Now press enter. You can see we successfully installed latest version of MySQL. Now to check the password is working properly, type here MySQL u space root space dash p. Press enter. Now enter the password. Press enter. Now type show database. Press enter. Now type here create database. Press enter. Now type show. So this is the way, guys, you can check latest version and password is working properly. Now click here, enter your password, then click on OK. So thanks for watching, guys. Share, like and subscribe this channel.